Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare chicken bharta recipe. The ingredients required to prepare this recipe are: I have boiled 300 grams of boneless chicken and I have shredded them like this. I have boiled it with the salt for near about 5 minutes. I have boiled it and then I have shredded the chicken, and here the stock is here, chicken stock. So you will not throw the water. After boiling you will keep that water. We are going to use it in this recipe. I'll be using oil to prepare this recipe. Here I have finely chopped 2 big onions, 2 green chilies. I have slitted them from the center. 2 big tomatoes. I have pasted them. This is a cashew nut and dried melon seeds, that is charmagaj and cashew powdered. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Half a teaspoon of roasted coriander powder. Half a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And this is half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. I have taken 2 boiled eggs here and cut them into small pieces like this. This is 1 tablespoon of yogurt. This is little bit of kasuri methi, dry roasted and powdered. 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. Salt as per our taste. Now let's get started. First I'll heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Then I'm going to add the chopped onions. And I will cook this till it becomes slightly cooked. Our onion is slightly cooked. Now I will add the ginger garlic paste, the tomato paste, and I will fry till the rawness of the ginger garlic paste disappears. Now friends, after frying it, we will add all the dry spices, salt as per our taste, and now put the flame into medium and cook the spices properly till it starts leaving oil. Now as our masala is cooked, we will add the shredded chicken. Mix it. After mixing it nicely, I will add the chicken stock. Put the flame into medium and now let the chicken get cooked. It's almost cooked. Let the flavor go inside the chicken. Now after boiling it for 5 minutes, you can see it has become little thick. Now friends, this is yogurt and this is the cashew and the charmagaj paste. I'm going to mix it together and make it into a paste. And now I will mix this to the recipe. Mix it and cook for a minute. This is the time I will add the green chilies and then the fresh cream. After adding the fresh cream, I will mix it. I will add the dry roasted kasuri methi. Mix it. And now friends, I will add the boiled eggs. Mix it to this recipe. Cook for another 30 seconds and my chicken bharta recipe is ready. Our creamy chicken bharta is now ready. I'll put off the flame and transfer it to the serving bowl. Here is our yummy chicken bharta ready. You can savor it with rotis, with naan, with parathas. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. See you soon, friends. Bye.